We love color. After all, we're only human. And the cat? Well, its favorite color is purple. That's all white. No need to thank us for the dad jokes. How are we gonna bring a little light into your life this week? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a couple of gadget nerds who are lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Vine Voices program. We review all the latest and greatest Amazon products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. All you gotta do is like this video, hit that subscribe button, and keep an eye out for the secret hashtag hidden somewhere in today's video. You'll need it if you want to be in the running to win. It's the LifeSmart Hexagon light. Not only is a hexagon a witch's favorite shape, it's ours too. I gotta say, initially we were a little like, but this thing is an impressive ambient lighting system and a great way to set the mood for any room or just have a play around in general. Overall, there's over 16 million color combinations to choose from with customizable lighting effects, all controlled through the Cololight smartphone app. All that's needed are a few taps on the screen and boom, mood lighting. One of the best parts is that after you're finished getting the patterns and colors just right, you can save it as a predetermined setting. The only thing left to do is to link the LifeSmart Hexagon light to your Amazon Alexa or Google Home Assistant with a voice command and change the whole look of a room with just a few words. The Cololight app can also use the microphone in your smartphone to change how the lighting displays and pulses according to the music or sounds in the background. Although the bottom module needs to be plugged into power, all the others can literally be clipped together in any way you want. Make a love heart to show someone you really care, or try to recreate the logo from your favorite video game. So, what do we like about the LifeSmart Hexagon light? There is a definite cool factor going on here. A lot of the lighting we give away can be made into an almost infinite amount of lighting and effects combinations. But this is the first time we've had one that goes together like a Lego. Matt and I had a great time playing around with this even before the kids had a chance to get their turn. What really impressed us was the fact that you can make each individual hexagon behave completely different than the rest. We stumbled across the Create mode in the app that let us save some 15 frame sequences that you're able to control pixel by pixel. Though our kids have this set up around the TV and the computer when they're gaming, Matt and I had this awesome idea to use the light as a way to tell our family we're on a call when working from home. Green means you can talk to Dad. Red means you have to wait. And yellow, well, that means Dad is hungry. Time for a banana. What's the downside? These are a little smaller than what we were expecting compared to a much larger product like the Nano Leaf, but they're still awesome. There is one thing that's annoying though, and that is each time you disconnect the power, you'll have to connect back to your smartphone as the lights themselves won't remember the setting. So, what's the verdict? Mood lighting brings that little touch of class to a room and that little wow factor for when you have guests. But the fact that you can move these around in any way you want in pre-programmed patterns, it's a game changer. We give it a rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. We've been eyeing some more LifeSmart Hexagon lights to add to the package just to see how big we can make this thing. Consider us hooked. And the LifeSmart Hexagon light could be yours. We'll be giving it away to one lucky subscriber. To be in the drawing to win this amazing product, the rules are very simple. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment in this video with the hidden hashtag from today's review. That's it. I hope you were paying attention, but just in case you missed it the first time, you can always go back and watch again. We'll then select someone at random and announce the winner exactly a week from now. Good luck! If you liked what you saw today and you can't wait to see if you've won, we've included our purchase link in the description below. This has been Review to You, where we review and give to you for free. From Matt and Gary, see you guys next time.